WT and TGL2101DECT 6.0 Cordless Home Phone. Now I know what you're thinking. A home phone? Really? But hear me out. This little guy has some awesome features that might just make you reconsider. Let's take a closer look. All right, let's unbox this thing. Inside the box, you've got the cordless handset, the base unit, a rechargeable battery, a power adapter, and a user manual. Setting it up is a breeze. Just plug in the base, pop in the battery, and you're ready to roll. Seriously, it took me less than 5 minutes. Now let's talk about what makes this phone stand out. First off, it uses DECT 6.0 technology, which means you get super clear sound without any interference from your Wi-Fi or other gadgets. Perfect for when you're trying to have a conversation and the kids are streaming videos in the next room. Check out this 2-inch white backlit display. It's bright, easy to read, and makes checking caller ID or your call history a snap. And the lighted keypad? Hina, lifesaver for those late-night calls when you don't want to turn on the lights. One of my favorite features is the Full-Duplex handset speakerphone. It lets you talk and listen at the same time. No more awkward pauses or talking over each other. I tested it while making dinner, and it was so convenient to chat hands-free without missing a beat. Okay, can we talk about spam calls for a second? They're the worst, right? Well, this phone has a call block feature, so that lets you block up to 1,000 numbers. Just add those annoying telemarketers or robocallers to your block list, and poof, they're gone. It's like magic, but better. Design-wise, this phone is sleek and modern with its high graphite and black finish. It's compact, so it won't take up much space on your desk or counter, and the handset feels really comfortable to hold. Plus, it just looks nice. Like it doesn't scream old-school landline, you know? So, who is this phone for? Honestly, it's great for anyone who still relies on a home phone, whether it's for your family, your home office, or just as a backup. It's reliable, easy to use, and has some really handy features like call blocking and that awesome speakerphone. If you've been putting off upgrading your home phone, this might be the one to go for. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. Oh, and if you're ready to grab one of these for yourself, I've left a link in the description below.